Yes.
3, 2, 1, press.
दबाया 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 कूल
Super.
डाउन ओह शिट
Super done.
राहुल एक बार वापस पहन तो एक बार वो
It looks very
एक बार
weird, bro.
जॉर्जी डजंट राहुल लुक लाइक अ गर्ल विद पोनीटेल्स तू जल्दी देख
Nice,
क्यूटी
nice.
ऐसे रहे राहुल आज तो ऐसे रहे क्यूट लग रहा है ऐसे रहे प्लीज
Boss.
all right ladies and gentlemen and my two beautiful boys welcome to this new episode of Three Friends and a
You
Kitten.
didn't know what to say, that's
Guys,
why you
this is going to
stalled
be
so
very
much.
Sunna. This is a very interesting episode. First thing first, जॉयजीव when we were discussing कि आज किसके बारे में बात करें, जॉयजीव के दिल से दर्दनाक चीख निकली कि guys I can't stand this. This is what it is. I think Georgie will explain, and Georgie will also tell people how you started. You got into this. थोड़ा हम लोगों को context भी दे दे. Over to you.
So context basically is that I've been quite vela throughout this particular lockdown while these guys have their jobs and their work from home. So recently this new year, January, when I also joined an internship and I started working with this particular law firm in Delhi through when I virtually. So I'm also working from home. So the topic for discussion today is basically working from home and the anxieties related to being in touch with your company virtually, or that shriek of pain, or I don't know what anxiety that goes through your heart when that phone rings early in the morning with work. That is something which I have recently experienced. It was a new experience for me, and
Something you clearly need to get used to.
bro, it's
नहीं होगा.
crazy.
You will not get used to it ever. I'm
I
telling
don't
you.
want to get, bro. These people think that I hope we release this after January because तब तक मेरा internship खत्म होगा, and then after then these guys can hear the amount of bitching I'm going to do about them. नहीं नहीं. So
नहीं
basically
नहीं.
it's like this. Okay, it's like these guys are, how law firms work is basically interns are the slaves. You're like थोड़ा
Yeah,
high
yeah.
modern day slave basically, and what they expect is that you're sitting with a pen and paper like this 24/7 waiting for that fucking call. Okay, and when that call comes, you're supposed to immediately start taking down notes. ऐसा नहीं कि I can be in the loo, I can be driving, I can be out shopping, I can be out having a cup of tea. Nothing
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं. Take down, take
Hmm.
down this thing. Like
Hmm.
now, fortunately, I've been at home next to my laptop during those particular calls till now. This last first week हुआ है अभी मेरा. But I'm contemplating that scenario when I'm, let's say, not in front of a notepad. What do I tell him? Ki, sir, please wait. I'll call you back.
भाग रहा हूँ.
Hug rao. So to prevent the situation from happening, I'm like fucking always have to be ready for the call.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
I'll tell. Okay, cool. I'll tell you one thing which I do. Okay, na, because been there. And this is ye kar. When the call comes and you're in the loop, just keep looking at the phone and don't pick it up. Don't pick it
Sir.
up. One, छोड़ दे, ring होने दे. Once you get comfortable, it could be after 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. Sir, sorry, I was in the loo. I was in the washroom. I just saw the phone. I have the pen and paper in front of me. Let's go. एक बार वो बोलेगा ओके, दो बार वो बोलेगा ओके, तीसरी बार वो समझ जाएगा कि जॉयदीप ऐसा ही है. And crystal clear. It has worked for me. I am
ऐसा.
sure, or at
But
least I think
but
I
Ishmeet,
stare at the phone.
it's different. I think in your position is very different from his position. You're working at a startup with a very good designation. I understand that also. There's nobody's gonna come and tell you this guy's waiting over here looking for a job.
एक बात याद रखना, तू जितना ऊपर हो, तेरे ऊपर कोई हमेशा रहता है राहुल.
Yeah, I completely
Good
agree.
one.
I completely agree with that. I'm not saying that's not there, but right now the whole firm is above him. For you, there are five people
Yeah,
above you, maybe. Big
yeah,
difference.
yeah. ठीक है, I understand. But yeah, so but don't you try this technique out and relax. I mean, you can't relax. And what do you say about getting used to it? I haven't been able to get used to it. Rahul, what about you?
I didn't like that piece of advice, very honestly.
What piece of advice?
No,
The staring at the couch.
yeah, just the ignore it and like what, and the third time the guy will understand that Georgie वैसा ही आदमी है.
हाँ,
What is that supposed to mean?
बस तुम एक्सपेक्टेशन लो सेट करो ताकि तुम हमेशा अंडर प्रॉमिस ओवर डिलीवर. रूल ऑफ
Oh,
लाइफ.
That is not the rule of life.
That is
Good.
क्या बोल रहा है?
It's a good view, I believe. वो राहुल का view क्या है?
I'm in
हाँ बोल
complete
बोल.
disagreement. Like, okay, it's always cutthroat. Okay, today, the opportunities that come to you will be reduced if people understand that you're a lazy ass. Why would somebody come to you for work and give you work if they know you're going to be very lazy about it and take your time doing it? Today's world revolves around efficiency. People want the most efficient employees trying to do things in the fastest way possible. You don't get paid for to do that work for 2 hours in 20 years. They're paying you for the 20 years that you've developed that efficiency that you can now do it.
I agree. But doing this 24, I have 2 points. Doing this 24/7 is a pain.
Agree.
One. And second, there's a cost to this. The cost that you have to bear is that when you're forever fucking 24/7 efficient, you first of all, you can't be a human at the end of the day. So what Ishmeet is saying is that when you raise the bar of being this guy who's always like, magnifico, he's like 24/7 on it. So sometimes there you can't deliver. So there you end up disappointing, and there you end up.
Now,
Yeah.
okay, I understand what you're saying, but there's always a way around it. What if you set yourself boundaries? What if you give yourself work hours? Within this hour and this hour, whenever they contact me, I'm there.
चल अब राहुल सुन,
That
ये
हाँ.
तेरा वहां होता है, ये यहाँ नहीं होता है. उन लोगों को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I had to work today. Today is a Sunday. I had to work
I've
today.
been
I had to
working
send.
every weekend for the last 10 weeks. अब क्या बोलेगा तुम?
तो
अबे तो
वर्क
ठीक है.
आज तो बोल रहा है ना, तो वर्क आज
वर्क
नहीं
आज
है
का
यहाँ.
बात, वर्क आज नहीं होता है. एंड कोश मेरा केस तो में तो है ही नहीं. जॉर्जिफ का भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. तेरा में हो सकता है. Maybe
Okay, think
that's
about it.
extra work which you're wanting to do.
Think
Also,
about
one more thing. अच्छा तू पहले बोल.
Think about it. Fine, you're saying about these work hours, right? Now, think about it this way. At least from, say, it's 8 to 5. If they contact you between 8 to 5, you give them efficiency or whatever the hell you're giving them. After that, if you don't answer their calls, after that point, it's okay. But you can't be at 10 o'clock in the morning or 2 o'clock in the afternoon and be like, I'm not going to answer your call all the time.
You got me wrong. You got me wrong. See. When I say, I'm not saying even Georgie is genuinely in front of a laptop with a notebook, he's just going to stare at the phone. No. When he's doing his business in the washroom, somebody called, he'll have to run, हाथ धो धो के जल्दी में फोन आने का. वो क्यों करना है? देखो, अच्छा, लॉक करो, पॉकेट में डालो, मुंह धो, हाथ धो, जाओ. Sorry, sir, I was in the washroom. We're calling him after 3 minutes. This doesn't mean that your work is getting. 3 मिनट तुम वापस कॉल बैक करे, बोला सर मैं मूत रहा था. अच्छा, don't say sir, I was in the washroom genuinely. I need a minute. You just doing it after that. It's okay. I feel. I mean, इतना तो चलता है यार. If you're working from home, इतना होना चाहिए यार. This is very normal. I don't know my perspective.
If you're hiring an employee, what's your perspective if that employee or that intern is doing something like that?
I want the person.
I'm asking it from your perspective.
I
As
will.
somebody who's looking after interns.
I'll tell you. If I have allotted 6 tasks, okay, for the day, if those 6 tasks are being met before 11, 10, before 9 p.m., 8 p.m., jab tak I'm checking it, I'm okay with it. The guy's gone to the washroom, this guy's gone to meet his mom, it's fine. You finish your work by 9 p.m., you told me yes, and that is what I look at. Because my work with interns, actually, my work is not completely dependent on them, that I have to handhold. They've done the work, I'll check it at 10, it's okay, I'll send them my feedback, work is done. And that is the kind of people I like. I don't want people to stick by my ass, chaplusi, sir, nahi. I don't like picking up your phone. Get a hint. I'm not in the mood to talk right now, Bhavik. I'm not in the mood to talk right now. मेरे को message भेजो, मेरे को भी बात नहीं करना है. I do this. I'm like, just send me a text. I don't want to talk on the call right now. Because it gets so infuriating.
As in, like, this is the unsaid rule. Like, if someone tells you we'll have a talk, आज हुआ था. Like, someone told me, some senior associate told me we'll have a talk at 11:30 in the morning today. So I was still waiting for the call, but the call never fucking came. So is it general practice for me to call and say like, bro, you were supposed to call? No, don't say bro, but like, sir, I'm calling you because we had a conversation when we were supposed to we scheduled a conversation. As how you do you say, or you're not supposed to call? You just because it's a fucking Sunday. Why would you call a senior associate?
Message करके छोड़ दे.
Yeah. Or you can just say like if it crosses that time, I would be like, okay, I am free whenever for a call. Then they can call whenever the hell they want. Your responsibility, your accountability is done over there. then you don't worry about it. I feel that way.
Anytime there's an issue, best, you know what is the God's most underrated gift? It's a voice note. That's
भाई
it. I
तुम
mean,
नहीं
you,
भेज सकता वॉइस नोट भाई, तुम भेज
हाँ,
सकता है शायद इंटर्न को
अरे
वॉइस
नहीं
नोट,
नहीं,
इंटर्न
हम
तुझे वॉइस नोट
वो
नहीं भेज सकता.
पहला भेजता है, हम तो बोलता है भेजो, बोला टेक्स्ट भी ऐसी, ठीक है, हम जस्ट सेइंग थोड़ा टाइम के बाद, 2 हफ्ता बाद जब भी तू थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा सर के साथ, यू कैन सेंड हिम अ वॉइस नोट ऑल्सो. Georgie, what I'll tell you guys why another this Rahul, I wanted to tell you this. This week I think I called up Georgie 4 to 5 times for different things. एक तो फुटबॉल खेलेगा कि नहीं, एक माइक को लेके, एंड एक आध चीज के लिए और कॉल किया था. आई कुड फील व्हेन एवर जॉर्जी पिक्ड अप द फोन, लाइक हाँ भाई बोल, यू नो दैट यूजुअल जोवियल टोन ऑफ जॉर्जी, हाँ भाई व्हाट्स अप सेक्सी, क्या कर रहा है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं, हाँ भाई बोल. एंड मेरे को दर्द हो रहा था. You get it? So I can understand the frustration. That's why I said, don't use your phone. Calls are horrible. Just send a
Yeah,
message or
exactly.
send a voice. I can't call anybody. Sorry. Rahul. One thing I know for sure, Rahul is never gonna hire me or Georgie View.
I think there are two reasons. My analysis of this is that Ishmeet is on, as I'm understanding my situation, because we are both on the Indian side of things.
Yeah.
This is my issue with this. Okay, you can't keep saying that just because I'm in the US, everything works differently. There are
No,
some
wait.
things that work everywhere. Every argument where I try to post something is like, you are in the US. That is why you think this way. Like, fuck off, dude.
Oh, wait. There's two things. One major factor here is that you work in a regularized corporate setup
Mm, good point.
where work hours, leave, personal time,
Respected.
family time, all these are respected and they are
That is what
valued
you are
and cherished.
assuming, right? That is what you're assuming without
Is
actually
it
knowing
not?
the story. No, it's not always like that. Okay,
What
you
is
look at industry. Look at your industry is law.
hmm,
For me, my industry is whatever, banking or finance or whatever you want to call it.
hmm,
Over here, Ishmeet has the most liberal schedule.
hmm,
Okay, it's a fact. Firstly, you're in marketing,
hmm.
and secondly, you're
खाली
at
ये
a,
लोग
no, wait,
ये लोग खाली
forget
कच्ची चाय
marketing.
पीता है. इंडिया जर्सी पहन के इंडिया के मैच के दिन बाहर चाय सुट्टा पीता है ये लोग.
कौन?
एड एजेंसी मार्केटिंग वाला ऐसा ही होता है.
हम वो नहीं करता ब्रो. मेरे को वो मौका मिले मैं करूँ, नॉट अ
No,
सुट्टा पार्ट, बट जस्ट
no.
चाय पी के इंडिया
My
जर्सी.
point is, you have that liberty working at a startup. I feel that it is more liberal there versus in any corporate sector.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you have sat there and assumed that just because I'm in the US, everything is standardized, everything is regulated. ना पता कहाँ से ये आता है, लेकिन आता है.
Then what is it? बताओ हमें.
Okay,
To what
so
extent is it
so
regularized or what extent is not?
work hours for us, you're expected. So non-busy season hours, when we're not busy, it's like you're expected to put in 8 hours during the day. Now you have to be there. Like meetings are obviously scheduled. You have your Skype or whatever that we have. उसमें वो होता है. But think about this, right? There's yesterday I get an email saying that we need this done by Monday morning. Yesterday Saturday.
Hmm.
Okay, Saturday is not my work day.
Hmm.
But it's not always that structured. Things always come up, no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing,
Hmm. So these are
and
exceptions, is what I'm saying. No.
it
ये बोल रहे
becomes,
हैं इसका एक्सेप्शंस बहुत रेगुलर है.
yeah. And you need to realize that no matter what you're doing, at the end of the day, okay, look, as an organization, right? Say Ishmeet's also, right? If the intern doesn't do their work, means the guy above him cannot do their work. Means the guy above him cannot do their work. And your performance could directly impact the efficiency of the entire firm. And you may not be looking at the bigger picture there. You might be looking at, oh, I need to put in my minimum, I need to do my job. But you need to own what you do as well. Own it, be accountable for it, and do it in a way that you actually care about what the hell is going on, so other people are not affected by what you do.
फेयर, ठीक है,
Hmm.
सही पॉइंट है, बट it should ideally, see, I think whenever, like you mentioned, all this is everywhere, people get very selfish when it comes to work. That's what I feel. Even I get selfish. I'm like, if I'm at a position where I'm tired or don't feel like working today, it's just 5 p.m. और 2-3 घंटा में से काम होगा नहीं, मैं ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा लाइट ले लेता हूँ. But the point is, when somebody else under me, say, wants to do the same, I'm going to become super selfish. I mean, नहीं तुम कैसे कर सकते हैं? When just 3 days back, I was doing the same thing. Are you guys getting my
Yeah,
point?
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So so it is there for sure, but and I think all of us are just, I don't know whether the term is victims or just part of the loop, part of the cycle. There's no getting out of it. All you can do is
before
come on
before we
Sunday night
get
and cry.
before we get so idealistic about and so इतना vague general
नहीं
comments
नहीं
मारने से पहले रुक जा थोड़ा राहुल का
अच्छा
you know difference क्या है exactly clear out करते हैं.
Now to my point, right? This is exactly what he said. What he said was he could afford to do that in his position, but if an intern did it, it would not be okay. So again, you would think about it like that.
even a
Like
guy
how
above me,
yeah, exactly.
yeah, selfish, like अरे यार मेरा कहाँ.
Right. And because okay, here you're thinking about it like that. For me, it's like the hierarchy of things, right? In a law firm also there is hierarchy. Wherever
Yeah,
you go,
everywhere there's
right?
hierarchy.
There is. And position at that point matters. And that's what I'm trying to say. That when I'm just starting off, Georgie is an intern versus your position, Ishmeet, it makes a hell of a difference as to your liberties.
Yeah.
And Georgie, okay, think about it. You can listen to what Ishmeet is saying, and at some point it's true, you will reach that stage. But I don't think right now is the right time for it.
बट तुम कब तक टान पाएगा राहुल? एक
एक
पॉइंट के
महीने
बाद
का
अरे
इंटर्नशिप एक महीने के लिए तो करने दे ठीक से.
नहीं
अरे
भाई
वो तो
सुन
करेगा
सुन
ही
सुन
है.
वो तो मैं करूंगा ही. तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कर तू जो है तू जो where you're coming from is that entire corporate dream that people sell, and you've properly nicely given to that idea where don't take this in an offensive manner. It's just my as my
बोल दिया
perspective.
assumption.
राहुल 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 तू
बोल
थोड़ा
दिया
पीछे होके बैठ.
assumption.
हाँ,
Assumption ही
थोड़ा
बोल.
पीछे होके बैठ, थोड़ा पीछे
My
होके बैठ.
perspective, my tippani on my understanding of your companies and your perspective towards your company is that everyone works as a team, and you're a nice structure where everyone is dependent, where they're interdependent on each other, right? And if that team, each cog in that wheel works properly, then the whole wheel functions properly, right? But in at least the systems or in the companies or the firms that I've worked in, it's not that nicely, it's not a team exactly, it's not an entire wheel also. It's different elements doing their individual things, and somehow that together just makes sense or it works. It's not that if I don't do my task, the person above me will fail. He'll still do it. If I don't do anything, he'll still manage. And if he doesn't do anything, the partner above him also will still manage. He'll thoda maybe lag, but still he'll be able to complete his task. So that's I think the difference that कुछ बोलना तो बोल दे भाई.
That's what I'm saying, no, Joyji. That lag that you're talking about. If I don't do my work, the other person will be able to do the work. I'm
Yeah,
not
so
in disagreement of that, and it will function. The entire business will still function if I don't do my work, right? But
yeah.
my point is that it hampers somebody else's work. It increases work for somebody else unnecessarily, right? I have got screwed multiple times because of that. Because people who are not doing their bit,
Yeah.
right? So if I also don't sit and say, oh my god, they're not doing their bit, so I won't do my bit, then that's also very screwed up.
Yeah, agreed. तो तेरा जो बिगिनिंग से पॉइंट था कि यू शुड कंटिन्यूअसली गिव योर बेस्ट and always be part of that that team structure and give your all so that the entire structure is efficient. I'm saying first point is you can't always give your all. You have to
Right.
sometimes
I
cut back.
agree. I agree with that.
Yeah, and you can only cut back when your cutting back is respected. In
In
some
this one,
work
ये मतलब
cultures
क्या
or
होता
work
है?
in, like जैसे तू बोल दिया कि 8 hours वर्किंग है, ठीक है?
Hmm.
तो बेसिकली तू 9वें घंटे से या 10वें घंटे से तू थोड़ा चिल होगा, ठीक
Hmm.
है? यहाँ पे कुछ 8 hour वर्क आवर्स नहीं है. यहाँ
नहीं
पे
है.
तू always you're on call. On call you should be fucking available. And I'm calling you, pick the phone up. I'm your senior, pick it up. Doesn't matter. And in fact, you if I miss the call, it might tick someone off in a wrong way. That ये junior मेरा senior का call उठाया कैसे नहीं? मैं
और
क्या मतलब
तुमको
बैठा
क्यों लगता है कि यहाँ पे ये नहीं होता है?
वो
नहीं
बोल रहे
मतलब अगर
होता है
वैसा
उतना
होता
डिग्री।
है, अगर वैसा होता है तो कंटिन्यूअसली 24/7 वो कॉल कैसे उठा सकता है भाई?
It's not up. Okay, my point is not about picking up that call. My point is about not getting too comfortable.
Yeah, no one's talking about getting too comfortable. We're just talking about a balance,
Balance is
and
required.
a balance being respected from the company's side or the
Point of
firm's
So
view,
side.
yeah.
basically, you're talking about a work-life balance where you give your whatever for those hours, and then beyond that, you should be allowed to do what you want to do.
Yeah,
Hmm.
No, I completely agree with that.
yeah.
So
That is what Joy said. Just to add, Rahul, do you think even after you've been working for 2 years, you like you said you work in a
हाँ, मेरा
proper corporate
छह
setup?
महीना हुआ है मेरा.
अरे तेरे ईवाई वीवाई का हम सब मिला मिलू के बोले तुम कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर में हिस्सा रहे ना। ईवाई भी बड़ा कंपनी था, तुम उस स्पेस में रहे, ठीक है ना। अब 6 महीना भी होते को कभी ऐसा टाइम मिले क्या वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कर? आई नो यू आर समबडी लाइक राइट नाउ इज द टाइम टू हसल, राइट नाउ इज द टाइम टू
Now,
गिव इट ऑल, आई कैन चिल
right.
लेटर ऑन, बट कब तक
Now,
हसल करेगा?
listen to
ऐसे तो
this,
नहीं
okay?
होगा भाई,
So there
हम
are two
समझ
things.
गए।
I'm not corporate. I'm in public accounting. Public accounting is not the same as corporate. Corporate life is your 9 to 5 job over here. That is extremely structured.
अच्छा।
Okay, public is a public accounting firm. Ernst and Young, Deloitte, all these are public accounting firms, right?
हम्म।
There, the expectation is such that there is no work-life balance for your first 2 3 years.
Hmm.
Because, like we say, what did you say in the beginning of this conversation? I am an intern. I am labor class. I am expected to do everything, right?
हाँ.
From whatever they want me to do. That is also the culture for the first couple
There
of years here
two three।
for in public accounting.
हम्म।
And that is where I'm coming from. It's like, and that's, see, how does public accounting work? The structure is such that it's so hard on you early on that either you go up in terms of promotion or you go out. It's called go up or go out. So if you don't get promoted, leave the firm, go corporate, work your 9 to 5. You worked your couple of years of like excessive hours. And when I was working at Ernst and Young, I didn't have work-life balance. I was working 75, 80 hours a week. Stupid, right? Especially when you're doing something you don't like. Right now, I'm doing something I really, really like doing. So I'm happy to put in those extra hours. क्योंकि like मजा आता है, कुछ सीखने को मिलता है वगैरह वगैरह. But if I didn't like it, it was a completely different story.
मेरा वो सब फेस चला गया, सब फेस चला गया वो।
तेरा कौन सा फेज है अभी?
ठीक है भाई, मंडे है, फ्राइडे का वेट करो। And plus, ठीक है, I enjoy work and all that, but I need to थोड़ा, I just want a little more time for myself. But which is
Me
not good
time.
also at 22, 23.
20 or even 23, like मेरे को
ठीक है,
sorry, मेरे को chill करना है.
चिल थोड़ा जरूरी है ब्रो, मतलब हो गया अब थोड़ा,
But
बहुत देख लिया
I was talking to my director just on Friday, and I was telling him that, so my director and my manager, they're like,
डायरेक्टर, सर, बॉस, डायरेक्टर, आई साला, अमीर
पहुंच
का
देख रहे हो
बच्चा।
भाई की?
देख रहे
it's,
हो और क्या
God.
कैजुअली बोला, I was talking to my director, ये एक्सेंट में नहीं, but yeah, go and all.
Anyway, so, okay, they're like 40, 50. They've come from like my dad's generation. My dad was also like, 20s may just work. So their expectation is also just like that because they're very old school. Our expectation as the new generation, I want 8 hours of play, 8 hours of work, equal. No matter what age I am, at 22, I want to retire at 40 where I have to work 4 hours and chill 16 hours.
आहो,
That is the attitude that a lot of people in our generation have.
good attitude.
Good attitude, yeah.
I don't know, matlab, see, I feel personally, Rahul, sometimes I think I'm in complete mood swings and phases. Sometimes I'm in that hustle phase, and sometimes I'm like, fuck all this shit, घर पे बैठ के सो वाला Sunday वाला phase. There's hardly in
Right now I'm in
between.
the hustle phase. So just
Yeah,
hustling every day, like have something to
yeah.
do.
But
But
the thing is, I've been there, अभी भी also, where there's work I'll do, but हो गया, हो गया, थोड़ा relax. That's what I keep telling myself, relax, relax. Take a deep breath. Everybody, whenever you're in points of stress, when your boss is calling, when you're getting anxious, तुम्हारा वाट लगने भी वाला है. You avoid the call, you call after 10 minutes, the work will be there. All you can do is relax. Take that deep breath, abuse if you want to, but then pick up the call, because that's how it is right now.
But I think one disadvantageous fact, I will agree to this, that you have living there is that we have like Skype or whatever, Messenger here. So there, everyone is always going to like message you before they call. It's like, are you available for a call? Now that you
Hi.
don't have over there.
Luxury.
Someone did that today. I was
Well,
so thankful. It was a today is a Sunday, and that person she texted around 10:30. हम तो उठा ही था, हम 9 से उठा था, पर फोन कहीं और था. So she texted at 10:30, like call me when you're free. So I saw the text at 11:30. तो I called at 11:30. तो आराम से बात हुआ चिल करके. काम भी दी, बोला कि तुम कल तक देना आराम से. बोला कि ठीक है. By the way, why can't everybody do this?
we do. अच्छा, respect तहजीब.
Respect
Very
of
nice.
time.
Very nice.
हाँ
Very
भाई.
nice.
कल शाम को एक बंद बोला तो है, आई कवर दिस. कल शाम को सडनली ही जस्ट, योर नेम इज दिस. हम लाइक हाँ, ये लिखो. फिर हम मतलब वेटर है बेंचोत, हम यहाँ ले पेन पेपर लेके हम बैठा हुआ है. हम कुछ चाय पी रहा था या कुछ कर रहा था बाहर, लाइक सर 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 1 minute सर. Then I went, took down my notepad.
Good.
Okay, that is just sad. लिखो.
Fucked up.
हाँ.
नाम क्या है? जॉर्जी. लिखो. By iconic. सही है.
तो
ठीक है. I think we'll all get over that eventually. Someday, Georgie, you will be doing the same thing.
Tell me one thing. From the perspective of, working, like that work-life balance, what do you like? What are your thoughts on when you should hustle and when you should not? Like in terms of age, like what are your goals growing up, growing old? By this age, I want to only be doing this, or like be chilling with my family, or like have this much time allocated to this, etc.
भाई अगर मैं इतना सोचता ना, काफी आगे जाता लाइफ.
That's why I'm asking you right now.
Okay, I'll answer first. I
Go on.
think that there's no particular age till I want to hustle. I think I want to work because see, I feel थोड़ा incompetent or useless if I am not engaged in something.
वो तो ऐसे ही है.
नहीं भाई,
मेरा ऐसे.
टट्टी जो क्लास 5 का मत मार, ठीक है. So when I'm engaged in something or some project, and if I like the project, I can continuously keep working at it. Time doesn't matter, time flies. I can keep doing one thing over and over again if I'm interested. But if it's something stupid, okay, like yesterday day before last week, whatever, I got one work where I was supposed to find out every application that was rejected by the Supreme Court on a particular issue. I had to review around 500 orders over a period of 3 years, one by one, to make sure if it's relevant or not. अगर तुम वैसा काम दे रहे हो ना, तो तुम जाओ भाई. All
Like
that shit I
these
don't
were
do.
like
If it's
paper, and you had to review the paper and all that stuff, like
so an
PDF.
order, PDF, yeah. So they upload Supreme Court uploads the orders on the website, and their searching tool is also very fuck all. So you have to keyword भी काम नहीं करता है कभी-कभी, all that nonsense. So whatever. So but if it's interesting, I can keep on working. So I can do that throughout. That's what I don't consider that hustling. I can do that for as long as I'm alive, I guess.
Right.
Nice.
Ishmeet, what do you think?
See, I honestly still don't have an answer to that. I'll tell you why. Last year, when we were in Bombay, just when I shifted to Bombay, in fact, August से लेके December तक.
So this is 2019.
August, yeah, 2019, yeah, last year. We just shifted to Bombay and we had to raise funds. Otherwise, we were bootstrapped and we weren't making enough revenue. हालत tight था. We put in, I'm not even kidding, 12, 14, 16 hours every day working. I told you guys, it's 10:30 we used to start. We used to work. Gym गया, खाना वाना खाया, again 3-4 बजे तक काम रहता था, and then again 10:30. And I had to be up because I had a team then, and my team only used to come in the morning at 10 o'clock. So I had to wake up before them, or because if I have to be there. So there was 4, 5, 6 months in Bombay till a funding, hustle like mad. Exact what you were doing, Rahul. मेरे को मजा भी आ रहा था, thrill भी मिल रहा था. But then we shifted out to work, proper office. We were working. I was like, ठीक है. then since this work from home thing is coming now, I am realizing कि that Ishmeet and अगर कोई मेरे को बोलेगा ना वो करने के लिए वापस, मैं बोलूंगा भाई मेरी गर्दन काट लो, मेरे से नहीं होगा अब. The point is I have done that full extreme. I'm right now, I'm comfortable, but I'm still doing my work diligently and I'm getting my work, I'm getting my results. So I like this part of it as well. I've experienced this part, juiced this part. I particularly didn't enjoy it that much. I mean, I enjoyed it then, but now I'm like, okay, bye. Let's stay in the middle for a bit. If it ever comes to that hustling phase again, I know I have the capability of doing it. So I think I'm malleable that way. I'm flexible that way. I don't think कि hustle इस age तक करना चाहिए, उस age तक करना चाहिए. I'm like जब जरूरत है करो, नहीं तो अपने आप को टाइम दो, रिलैक्स करो. एक ही जिंदगी है, कितना पैसा कमा लोगे, ऊपर ही तो जाना है ना वापस.
Oh, wow. How you subtly put it in as to gym also. खाना बनाता था.
Bro, I had
Subtly.
like 2 months I went, no bro. Bro, आग, puro आग. Anyway, Rahul, what about you? Age?
I don't know. Right now, I don't have anything to worry about in life other than work. Think about it. Like, my manager also said the same thing. It's like you're at that age where, और है क्या? Family तो है नहीं, बच्चे तो है नहीं. Don't have to care about them right now. Don't have to care about those things. The only thing you can care about right now is your career and how you can bring it forward and go up. So that one day you're satisfied. If you have to, you retire early and then chill the hell out. That I'm with into that perspective. Where right now, till I get completely settled, like I'm financially independent, but still like that level of settlement, promotions, etc. I'm waiting for that. But work from home is taking its toll. Oh, by the way, to that point, work from home. This was my first week. This past week is my first week where I went to the client and I actually met people from my team for the first time.
How was the experience?
Pandemic के time में.
I learned more in 4 days than I learned in the last 2 months.
For sure. I think that's the thing.
I had like senior people around to ask questions and everything.
That helps. I think that is when you have the physical presence, it always helps. On that note, guys, I think we've covered the essential point of this podcast was to address that anxiety and what to do. मेरा advice मत लो राहुल के हिसाब से. And you know
take it also.
Yeah. Take it. And secondly, and also that where is the balance, what is the balance, and when to hustle and not to. Just a casual conversation. We would love your thoughts on this because this is a never-ending debate actually. लोग का opinions and tippities रहेगा ही. So if you have any interesting opinion, you know what to do. Email us at pfarty@gmail.com. Until then, like, share, subscribe, follow, hand, सब कुछ करो. Push करो हम लोग को. It's a new year and
make people feel better.
Yeah, make people feel better. Alright, on that note, thank you so much. This is Ishmeet Singh Batra signing off. Joyjeev is back with a coolio. Rahul, Khuda Hafiz. Joyjeev, क्या बोले तेरे को? Yo, honey sing. Comprende. Alright guys, good night. Thank you. Take care.
Wait,
Bye-bye.
Stop your recording.